Alright, good morning guys. Just got up, about to get my day started. And ting. It's my little sister over here. Oh, what you doing? Say hello, Nana. Bye, Nana, later.
Bye.
But yeah. I don't know what's going on today. So my mom's car got messed up with something with the coolant part or something like that. So they're trying to fix it right now. Yeah. And ting. Yo, Dave, make sure your feed max, you know.
You will know.
I leave about feed max. Me no want to.
You act like a folk man. But yeah, I'm just doing it for the vlog today. Alright guys, I just got off work and I'm about to go take care of some business before I go to my other job. So yeah, I'm just doing it for the vlog right now. About to drive all the way out to Pontiac. That's like, you know, far as heck. So yeah. Oh, I still got my indicator on. Oops. But yeah, in Southfield, Michigan right now, doing it big. You know, chilling. Hey guys, just got to the store. Let's see what Ken is up to, because I know he in there up to something. Let me lock my door real quick. Alright. Let's see what he up to. I told you he was up to something. That dude over there just leaning on the counter and stuff. I think he gay. Me zooming on him for you guys. Do y'all see that head? I mean, look at that head. It's hideous. So me and Ken just got off work. Probably about to head to the park. I don't know. I'm hungry, so I'm about to go get some Wendy's. Hey man, don't say what's up guys to them, man. They don't like you. But yeah, so probably about to get some Wendy's and ting. Trabass. Make sure y'all go watch his videos. TRABASSTVVLOGS. I'll put it in the description below. You know. But what you gotta say to the people, Ken?
Hey man, the girl was licking on me, man. I told you I'm a smooth criminal, man.
He don't know. What the fuck are you talking about, bro?
In that vlog, bro.
Man, he ain't talking about nothing, man. He just an idiot.
Hey man, them Jamaicans love me, dog. Smooth, I'm Aquaman, boy. I said they just ride the way.
But she wasn't Jamaican, bro. She was an American that licked his face. In my last vlog, make sure you go watch it. Jamaican Madness. Go watch that boy.
Women love me.
When they don't love you, bro. It was an American woman just licking your face. I wonder what they doing up there. They're just licking your face for no reason. Hey, Ken, you ain't hungry? Cause you had American Bistro. Ooh, that big man. You ain't hungry cause you had American Bistro? Hey, bro, let's go into the bistro. All right, then. Look at him tuning me out with his headphones. Skip this little bummy, boy. But you know, doing it for the vlog.
I didn't tell you to jump out.